It's creepy because I have all my windows up, like all my blinds up, so I can use natural lighting for this video. And I can see people outside, and I know that they can see me. All right. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I style my wig. If y'all ain't know, yes, this is a wig. Now you know. Hold on, let me put my glasses on, because I can't really see how I look, and I don't got a mirror with me. So I gotta look right there. Okay. Oh, maybe I should get a mirror. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah. That's good. So if I'm looking that way, with that, what you will need to accomplish what I'm doing with my hair, you're gonna need, that's my dog Prince, don't mind. You're gonna need a flat iron, don't matter. This is the Revlon flat iron. You're gonna need some type of eyeshadow. You're gonna need some, mine just fucked up, I know. Don't judge. You're gonna need some type of eyeshadow. Preferably something that matches your skin tone. Like, you don't want no eyeshadow that's pink or purple, of course, because we're gonna use this to fill in our part right here to make it look more natural. You're gonna need some type of eyebrow brush or whatever. Oh shit, let me put these down. You're gonna need some type of eyebrow brush or whatever so you can fill it in. You're gonna need an edge control of your choice. I'm using Gorilla Snot and a toothbrush. And last, you're gonna need some type of bandana so you can tie your hair down. This bandana has been with me through thick and thin, so you're gonna need a bandana so you can wrap your hair up so it can lay flat. So the first thing that I do is I begin to brush out my hair, brush out my wig, whatever you want to call it. Brush it out. Just make sure you get the back where your neck is, because that's where hair gets tangled the most because of all the friction and stuff. Go on the bottoms too. Alright, so what I'm about to do right now is I'm just about to flat iron it just to make it lay flatter and more straight. You bitches can't. Look, can you see the difference between this and this? I know you could. I usually will curl like this little piece right here. Hold up. You see how this is like, I should cut it some more, but I'm not. This little piece. Little short pieces, I usually will curl this. This is like the only little piece that I got. All right, we'll do that. You know, nothing too special. Okay. So we got our hair straightened. Eyeshadow palette. Let me get a little closer. So you see, as you can see, this right here, we're going to like put some eyeshadow on it. I'm using these two colors right here. So I'm just gonna mix these two colors together. see? You see how like that like brought it out more? Now I'm going to add it to, I need to pluck this more because it's a little like, you see how it kind of stops, but that's why we're gonna add eyeshadow so it can look natural. Don't that look 10 times better? I know it do. So now we're gonna go in with our edges. You can skip this step. This is not mandatory to get this look, but if you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't, you don't. You want to get your wet toothbrush, obviously not a toothbrush that you use for your teeth. You want to get some Gorilla Snot on it. This is how I do my edges, okay, y'all? So now this is where our bandana comes in. We're gonna wrap our hair up. And we're gonna leave this on here for about like, just like 5 to 10 minutes. You can go do whatever you want until the time being.
5 minutes later.
Like around 5 minutes or so, I'm gonna take these off because I'm cute without them. So it's been like 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna take them off now. As you can see, it's about to be like as Frank. Take this off, and everything is laid to the fucking gods. But of course, we're gonna go in. Where is it? Yes, we're gonna go in with our brush and just, you know, kind of smooth everything out. Laid sis, laid sis, laid sis. Tell me we not laid, sis. Sometimes, like, I like to style it with my little ear open, like, you know, the little ear kind of, ear wing kind of look, you know? Like this. Oh man. Do I need to straighten this more? I think I should bump this. I think I should. Yeah. I'm gonna bump it. This little piece right here. So you guys, this is the finished look. Hold up, everything to the back. Is that the look we're going for? All to the back. So this is my finished look. You see, you like it? Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys take some of my advice with you. If you like this video, if you like these hair type of videos, you know, let me know down in the comments. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below some more video ideas that you guys would like to see from me. I would love to do them, and I will see you guys later. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm out.